rope. I don't know why I'm recording from this angle. What?
I tasted it.
Oh, it's water. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you.
Did you need that much water?
Yes, I needed that much water.
Okay. Bobby.
We're surrounded by too many people. We're out in the wilderness. It is quite devastating being out in the wilderness. But we are
Not in the wilderness.
out in the wilderness.
No, we're not in the wilderness.
We are in the wilderness. We're out in the wilderness. In the local habitat of people.
Yummy. Toby.
Do people come to this place to camp?
Like so.
Oh my god. Why didn't I think of setting it up there?
Guys, did you not even do my face reveal?
I want to get those sticky
Wait, guys,
things.
what if you did my face reveal?
We have done your face reveal. You were in our dunking your head face inside the water video. Yeah. We're going to Eniganish. I think that's how they pronounce it. We're gonna go see a waterfall.
Who say my life? It's only my head that won't be able to.
We're by Rick's place. Hold on. Oh. 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 Oh wow.
I feel like we've gone through this.
Oh wow. Too many sticks. Ah! Oh, that's squishy. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Yo, why is it like that?
That's the waterfall.
Yo, guys, this is low-key crazy.
This is why I don't do Dora the Explorer.
Facts. This is too much Dora the Explorer shit for me. Shabina, you say you won't come here.
I just wanted to see waterfall. I didn't think I'd like to hike to see waterfall.
Yo, this is steep. Hold the rope to go down.
I don't need Jesus,
You need the rope. You need the rope.
Jesus. I almost need. You need the rope, oh. You need the rope.
Jesus! Oh my god.
You know me that's going to.
Oh my god. Oh, what kind of Dora the Explorer
Is this?
type shit?
I'm telling you, they're making it.
Hold up. Okay, guys, we didn't die. Hold up.
Go away.
I want to
Go away. Go away.
wait.
Go away. I need to take you the water. Put down because of this.
Okay. Oh, thank God I was holding that rope. Okay, we're going back up now. Nearly died, but we'll be fine. And how would you rate that, whatever it was, the waterfall and the hike to get to the waterfall? How would you rate it?
I'm not there with the Explorer. Never ask me to hike again.
Facts. As she said, We're not Dora the Explorer, and never ask us to hike ever again. Okay, be talking. I see you, I'm recording.
Huh? Why?
Oh no. Gonna go see the beach. Check out the beach, guys. Hold up.
Yep.
A lot of guys. I can't do stairs. Oh, so pretty. Hold up. Can you see that?
Calculating all this is sand.
Oh my gosh.
Just there, and then see where the trees are. We gotta walk to the other side of the tree.
Another hike. Another hike. Can I survive this one? We'll wait to find out. Oh, okay, it's literally so pretty here. And my phone is running out of storage, so wish me luck. I took so many pictures as well. And oh my god. Okay, like random patches of snow. Anyways, I took so many pictures at the waterfall. Have to go through all those freaking pictures. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, hold up. It's not the clearest ocean you've ever seen, but still, it is super pretty. And I don't know if y'all can hear me. But I know I'm acting like I've never seen the ocean before, but we have. We've been to a lot of beaches actually. But
I remember that beach that had the water park on water.
right. Oh my god.
Just
There was this beach that we went to
round
a couple times. Like it's not like we've never been to it before, but we went to it a couple times, and they had this like bouncy house on top of the ocean. I don't know if. Oh, I just heard a bird. That didn't sound like a normal bird. So speed up. But anyways, so it had like a bouncy house. She's running in front of me. Anyways, it had like a bouncy house on top of the water. It was pretty cool. So yeah.
And then oh my god! And then the last thing you would do, you would get on top of like a really high.
Yeah, it'd be like really high, and then you'd have to jump down into the ocean.
I always went to the highest one because I was like, there was one time I jumped off the highest one and I thought I saw a big ass octopus. It looked like a crack.
I thought something
like,
touched. I thought I saw.
And
like,
I literally ran on water.
She was like Jesus up in this. She ran on water. She zoomed away. This is so gorgeous. And my makeup today wasn't eating, but in the light, it looks like it's eating. So, but my camera is pretty far away from me, so I could be delusional.
Oh, look at that! That thing moving.
Oh wow.
You can stand on it and like watch it.
Look
Look at that.
Eh? I don't like these bird sounds I'm hearing. I promise you. I don't like
Oh,
birds.
see that awkward.
I really don't like birds. Like I don't care, but I don't like them. Wait. Oh my god. Yeah. What if my phone just falls? I would crash out if my phone just falls. At this point, you probably can't hear me, but it's fine. I should have brought my mic. If I had brought my mic, it would have been better. Black rocks are apparently slippery, so don't not be careful. Okay, I gotta hold on. Still walking. I'm tired of walking. Oh wow. Okay. How would you rate that on a scale of 1 to 10, the beach and the walking? Okay, so she lost her voice. I don't know how. We will check back in the car.
Video. Hey guys. So Toby called me here for no reason, and I don't like you.
I'm right. Which one do you
They all look like this.
Actually, I'm gonna cry if there's no drumsticks. I don't see any.
Okay, it's really hot because it's just cooked.
Shouldn't have had ropes all the way out.
Actually,
Even the ropes did not
even the
go
ropes
out.
didn't support us. Not you.
Well, I'm the one that fell.
She's not calling it fat, just well eaten.
Gengi? Gengi? You want this good?
Why'd you call me Gengi?
I call everyone.
Sure. Sure. Don't give me tiny bits and pieces. I only want the skin. Don't give me the chicken. What?
She gives away the skin. I want the skin next
I
time.
eat the skin. She eats the chicken. That's how it works. Why?
I eat both.
Why are you giving it him?
I eat skin, I eat chicken.
Oh,
Damn, girl.
You don't like her?
Where'd the accent come from? You don't like her?
Scoopy. All the utensils. Like when you shovel like this. Steal.
33 grams of whatever that is.
Wait. Look at this, look at this, look at this.
Contest.
Let's do contest. I'm gonna win any
Contest to pick whose soap scent we're gonna be choosing.
I'm gonna
There's
win.
sunflower and then there's rose water lemonade.
What's the contest?
I like the rose water lemonade. She likes the sunflower. Come over here.
rock.
Are you ready?
Rock.
Which one are we going? On shoot or rock, paper, scissors, shoot? Or rock, paper, scissors?
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Who does rock, paper, then scissors?
Some people are weird though.
Why are people? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Okay, so that's one. Okay.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Wow! I got
Okay.
one.
1-1.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
2-1.
2-1.
that's it. What, best out of three, right?
All right. So I already have 2. So. Oh!
So sunflowers it is?
No, what do you mean? It's rose water lemonade.
Oh, right.
Gosh.
Yeah.
Okay, Toby.
I thought we were doing 1, 2, 3. Okay, yeah, do it to him. Yeah.
It's not good to
Do
act.
it to him. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Hey, he won one. Yeah. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Down. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Hey.
Here, let me pour some more in here. Set that down
It's leaking.
so you can have a little more. All right, Toby, you're up. It's going to change your color a little bit. That's all right. Gives you more to play with.
Okay.
You know what? I was busy helping you guys. I didn't get any pictures. And then,
The picture is still good.
hold on.
Toby showing you film dancing. Showing you shaking your butt.
Okay, guys. Day is over. What do we rate today? Anybody? 9.
I
Nine.
rate today a -2 billion.
Forget him. I rate today solid. Loki 7.58.
Toby,
I'm
don't
so-
second guess.